Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you that Superfish is highly illegal, and they said it's not running on my device at all. So what we're going to do, as you can see here, we're going to analyze the Superfish utility removal tool. We're running it because this is very bad. It's not in the root, look, it's not in the registry, look at that, and it's not in any applications. Thanks, Lenovo, for a completely bogus removal tool. You're so full of shit. Because then we're going to go down to my registry. You know, the real McCoy. And pow! Found it right there in my registry header. Super. That is a super fucking fish. It won't let me focus. Isn't that funny? That's so funny. There it is. See that Superfish removal tool? DLL, digital library link. That is in my local key machine. Right there, an extension compatibility. How you doing? So, Lenovo, wasn't it a $47,000 fine if you did it again, according to the Federal Trade Commission? Huh? I could use that $47,000, dog. Fucking cocksuckers. Excuse my French.